Hello, this is a quick video showing you how to add disco feet to your Marty. What you will need are your disco feet, your screwdriver that came with your Marty, 4 M3 14mm screws, those are the long ones, and 4 bolts. The easiest way to add foot add-ons is by removing the leg. You can do this by undoing this screw and pulling the leg backwards. Now the leg is off, we can undo the screws on the top to release the sensor that is there just now. Then pull the sensor from the add-on cable. If you haven't added your foot shield already, you can do so by hooking the 2 feet underneath the disco add-on, then by pressing down, like so. Connect the add-on wire to the connector on the bottom of the disco foot, on the side that's closest to the wire. Line up the LED foot shield with Marty's foot and slot in the 2 long screws on the top. Holding the screws in place, place a bolt on the bottom and screw it in. Then connect the leg back up and screw it in. Do the exact same for the other foot.